Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. My name still remains Usman Lawal and I'm the CEO of Louis Mobile Tech. Today we want to talk about Tecno Camon 40 Pro. Recently Tecno just dropped their Camon 40 Pro and this phone have been creating a buzz in the market, coming with a 108 megapixel camera and a flagship like features and a very clumsy design. This phone is like, in fact, is a beast. But does this phone really worth your money? Now let's break it down in this video. So Tecno Camon 40 come with a premium finish, very slim, curved edge, come with a matte depending on the color of the device. The device look more like a flagship than normal mid-range Android devices that we are using. So according to the feature of this phone, Tecno also included a ring LED light at the back, which they are calling it star ring flash, and this feature is good for a better portrait light. This phone features a 6.78 Hz AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and FHD plus resolution. So that means color will pop, scrolling and gaming will be very smooth, and it is expected that this phone will features always on display and a modern eye protection feature. Now this is where the Camon 40 Pro shine. Camon 40 Pro came with a 108 megapixel ultra main camera alongside double 2 sensor for depth and macro. Just like I say, you can get in this phone you can get a 4K video recording, HiOS, that is the electronic stabilization, with an advanced AI scene detection. For selfie, this phone boasts 32 megapixels with a dual front flash. So if you are into if you are an influencer or you are a YouTuber, TikTok, Instagram and so on and so forth, this is a very solid budget phone that you can use to continue your creation, because the phone features camera that are very extremely good, extremely gigantic, that can do most of this job for you. Camon 40 Pro is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultra. Yes, the phone supports 5G network and can get up to 12 gig RAM plus 256 gig ROM, and is run on Android 14 with HiOS on top, which means you can use this to do multitasking, switching from this app to another app. You're having a very good experience in gaming and so many other things you wish to carry the phone to do. It will give you a very smooth experience because of it runs on Android 14, like I've said earlier. So and the RAM, you can be expanded up to 16 gig RAM, so it will give you a full pack with 5000 milliampere battery. Wow. And 700 watt fast charging, at least at an interval of 20 to 25 minutes. This phone supposed to have given you 50%, and on a full charge the phone can take you up to a full day. That is when the phone is fully charged, it can take you up to a full day. So Tecno hasn't officially announced the global price for Tecno Camon 40 Pro, but in Nigeria it is expected that the price should be ranged at the rate of $200 to $300. That is, in converting it to naira, should be around 350 to 400,000. For that price, you are getting an impressive device, good camera system, 5G, and flagship level design device for your. So my final verdict is, if you are a type that you are looking for a good camera phone and a very stylish type of phone, or maybe you are aspiring to join into YouTube creation, or you're already a YouTube creator like myself, I think Camon 40 Pro is a very good, solid, kind of phone you should go for, because this phone will give you a better experience when it comes to scrolling, fast scrolling, and switching from one app to another. This phone is extremely good for that kind of work. So it's a very low budget phone. It's not too expensive and it's not too cheap. But if you are looking for most of these features which I've already mentioned, just go for Camon 40 Pro. The phone is extremely good. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more honest tech review, and do you have the intention of buying these devices, or you are going to wait till Tecno maybe produce a more bigger device? Let me know in the comment section. Louis Mobile Tech sign out. See you in my next video.